Hi everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. So if you're just starting out and you want to create a logo for your business, this video is perfect for you. I know designing a logo can feel overwhelming, especially if you don't have a design background. But today I'm going to break it down step by step, especially for beginners, and using AI tools to make it easy. First, we'll use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm and shape your brand identity. Then we'll hit Overflow, where we can turn those ideas into a polished design. Finally, we'll bring it all into Adobe Illustrator to fine tune and vectorize your logo. And by the end, you will have a professional, unique logo that represents your business. And you don't need to be a pro designer to do that. So, if you're ready, let's jump in and let's get started. So, first thing first, and since this video is completely for beginners, so first we are going to log into the ChatGPT website, official website, and then log in using your Google account. I will just click on continue. And you can see now I'm logged using my Google account. You can use this service for free. And then since the tutorial is completely for beginner, I did prepare for you the message that you will give to ChatGPT in order to give you a prompt idea for your logo. So you just need to fill in those texts, your business name, the industry you're in, and the colors, and also the message that you want in your logo. So now I did take some time to fill in all this informations. I will use this as an example. If you don't want something in your logo, just remove it. For example, I also like including symbols. I will remove this part completely. That way your logo will be customized. So I want just innovation and fun. Anything you don't like, just remove it or add some of your own info. The message I will change the message completely just for this example. See what's next. And then now everything is ready. Let's copy and paste the message to ChatGPT. Just copy and paste. And now ChatGPT will analyze this message and give you uh, information about your logo, and also it will give you a prompt that you can give to Flow. So you can see that ChatGPT is analyzing all the info about the logo. And finally, here is the prompt that we are looking for. So just copy this, and the prompt is all the idea and the instruction that will help us to generate the actual logo. So now since we got everything we need from ChatGPT, the next step is go to Flow. You can see that's the interface for Flow, as you can see with my email on it. and click on new project. And here it is, first thing is select the image and select the ratio for the logo will be 1:1, and select how much proposition you want. In our case, we need more proposition, and select the Nanobanana technology, and you can see that generating will use only 0 credits, so it is completely free and it will not consume any credit. So it's completely for free. And you can see that ChatGPT gave us two prompts. The first is optimized, and the second one if you want something more elegant and less playful. So let's start by this one. Copy paste. Now all you need to do is just wait for the process of generating those propositions. You can see that I have now 4 propositions. Let's try the other one. Something more elegant and less playful. Let's try this one now. The same thing, copy paste, enter. So now you can see that you have a lot of propositions to choose from. And in my case, I see this one is stunning. So I will choose this one. In order to download this logo creation, all you need to do is click on download and then click 2K upscale in order to get the, the, the logo in 2K resolution. And this will help us to refine the logo using Adobe Illustrator. Now we have the logo downloaded successfully, as you can see, in a very good quality and shape. So now the next step is to convert this logo into SVG vector and to refine the logo, and also you can also change the colors as you like. So now the last and the most important part is I will show you how you can transform this logo, simple logo, into a vector logo project. So for this, we are going to need Adobe Illustrator, and first go to File and let's open our logo first. Click on Open. And as you can see, here is our logo that we did choose from the propositions. And you can see that it is image file, as you can see. And in order to convert this image into a vector file, what you need to do is go to Window, and then search for image dress. Click on image dress, and so the first thing you need to do is select this image, as you can see, and then go to window and look for image dress. So here is the image dress, and now for the preset we are going to choose a 6-color image. It depends on how much color you did use. In my case, they are below 6 colors. Now that's great. Now what you need to do is you need to check auto grouping, and then click on so basically this option will help you to organize your project. So that's it. Now the last thing is click on expand. Now let's close this tab, and you can see that now I have a complete project with my logo. Now you can see that I did turn a complete image into a project. As you can see, it is basically make it with using AI. And the best part about that is that you can basically change the color of anything you want by selecting the object and changing the color, as you can see. So you can change the color of anything you want, even the text or the symbols. You can change the colors of all this object, and plus customize it as you need. And also the best part is that you can export this file as PNG. For example, you can choose export and export as, and then here you can choose PNG, and also here you can choose the quality of your image, so you can scale it into a larger quality image. And that's it. By using AI tool like ChatGPT and Flow, you can take a simple idea and transform it into a professional eye-catching logo. And once you've finalized your concept in Flow, you can easily refine it in Illustrator and make it your own. So I hope this gives you a clear, actionable process to follow, even if you're just starting out. Uh, and please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any question or what you want to share your logo once it's done, I'd love to see it. Just drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.